morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 3 and Year 4 Presentation Assembly. As you can see, it is Wednesday the 27th of March 2024. We're here to celebrate all those children who have earned Presentation Assembly certificates throughout this spring term. And haven't you all been working so hard? It's been amazing to see. You won't see a great deal of me, you'll just see amazing children. We're going to start in Year 3. And we are starting with the top 3 in each class in Year 3 to begin with. You'll see Miss Begum's, Mrs. George and Mr. Starling's classroom. You've got Yasmin on 78 out on the lead, Zara 65 and Alfie James on 63 for Miss Begum's class. And Mrs. George and Mr. Starling's class, you've got Toby out there on 79, Ava 66 and Jessica on 65. Well done, you 6, absolutely brilliant, amazing effort with all of those house points, you superstars, so well done. Keep that up through the summer term as well. And we're starting with our English stars. And these guys have been working so hard in English. Here they come. Come on in. We've got Sarah. We've got Harley, Beatrix, and Nia Jade. Look at you guys. Absolutely working so hard. Look at that amazing English as well. Well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your English certificates home today. Moving on to our reading stars. Now, not only have these guys been reading every single day, they've been filling in their reading records as well. And not only that, they're going to get a reading book to take home with them as well. So you've got Toby, you've got Lily, you've got Scarlett, and we've got Keely. Well done, guys. I know you've been reading so much over this spring term. Really well done. Enjoy taking certificates and your new books home over Easter. Well done. Our mathematicians. Now, these guys have been working so hard in maths. You'll see again some of the maths they've got there. We've got Emily, we've got Xander, we've got Tia, we've got Kylo. Absolute whizzes in maths. And actually, talking of whizzes, our maths whiz as well, working so hard online as well with all that. Times table rock star as well. So well done, you 4. Enjoy taking your maths certificates home with you today, superstars. Well done. Our scientists. Now, these guys have really enjoyed their science this year. We've got Esme, we've got Noah, we've got Mason, and we've got Alfie working so hard on their science. Absolutely smashing it. So well done, you 4. Enjoy taking your science certificates home with you as well. You superstars, well done. On to our history stars and our historians. Again, these guys have produced some amazing history and some brilliant work as well. Look, we've got Georgia, we've got Charlotte, we've got Zara, and we've got Matilda working so hard. And actually, to be fair, really loving their history topic this term as well. So well done, you 4. Enjoyed taking your history certificates home with you today. Superstars, well done. Our geography stars, and these guys have been working really hard on geography as well, and all about rivers, and look at these wonderful models as well. So you've got Rudy, we've got Amelia, we've got Caitlin, and we've got Amelia. So you guys have been working so hard. Absolutely brilliant. You are absolute geography stars, so well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, superstars. Well done. Our final set in Year 3 are our PE stars, and these guys have been really physically active, keeping themselves super fit, and they are. Here they come. Caitlin, Dorian there, Brayland, and there Jamie. Look at you guys. Actually looking super fit as well, but actually not only being super active at break time and lunch times, but in your PE, your games lesson, and in swimming as well. So well done, you 4. Fantastic term. Enjoy taking your PE certificates home with you, superstar. Well done. On to Year 4, and Year 4's top 3 in each class. Miss Arthurton's class, you've got 92, Crystal way out there in the lead with Caden on 79, and just below Adama on 76. And in Miss White's class, you see Alexander just leading there on 76, with Olivia on 75, and then Marcy on 72. Very close there, but well done, you 6. And you're absolutely smashing it with your house points. Really well done. Keep that up over the summer term. Well done. We're going to start with our English stars, and these 4 have been working so hard, as you can see. Look, we've got Dan Elias, Anna Maria, Eliza, and Jack. Absolutely thumbs up as well, Jack, because you guys have been working so hard in English and producing amazing pieces of writing as well. I know that troll's been about as well. You've done lots of arguments around the troll and the 3 Billy Goats Craft. So brilliant work throughout this term, guys. Well done. On to our reading stars, and these guys cannot be faulted for their reading because they are reading every single day. And massive thumbs up, Alita, as well. So you've got Scarlett, Alita, Crystal, and Sapphire there. Mega thumbs up to you guys. Keep up that reading. Keep it up over Easter, please, guys. And you'll be going home not only with a certificate, but with a nice reading book as well to take home. So enjoy. On to our mathematicians. Now, these guys have been doing times of rock stars. They've been doing maths whiz. They've been working so hard in their maths mastery lessons. We've got Sophie, we've got Casey May, we've got Noah, and we've got Honey. Absolutely smashing it, you 4. Really well done. Again, massive thumbs up. Keep up that. So over, you got maths whiz to go on. You got maths, times table rock stars as well to get on as well. So keep doing that over Easter, guys. Keep practicing. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today, superstars. Well done. Our scientists in year 4, look at these guys. Here they come. Come on in. We've got Logan, we've got Monica, Caitlin Rose and Suleiman. Well done, guys. I know you have been working so hard, and there's thumbs up as well for Suleiman in your science as well. And it's really interesting topics as well. So well done, guys. I know you've really enjoyed your science as well. So enjoy taking your certificates home today, superstars. Our geographers now, geography stars as well, finding their way around the world as well. Look at these guys. So we got Tasnim, Nikita, Woody and Sophia. Well done, guys. You've been working so hard on your geography. And again, really enjoying your geography topics. So well done. Massive smiles there. It's making me smile as well, just talking about them. So well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, superstars. Historians. Look at these guys. Here we go. Henry, Rayleigh, Sinead and Dennis. Dennis, massive thumbs up, buddy. Really good. I know you've really enjoyed your history as well this time. You can see that by their faces. Great smiles, guys. It's making me smile again. Enjoy taking your history certificates home with you today, superstars. Finally, the final set of certificates of our PE stars. And these guys have been super physically active throughout. And again, with their swimming as well, their games lesson, break times, lunch times. Caden, Lexi, Lola May and Ethan. Guys, well done. I know you've been doing clubs as well with football clubs and various other gymnastics clubs as well after school. So really well done, you guys. Enjoy taking your PE certificates home with you today, superstars. Well done. Weren't they all amazing? You have all worked so hard throughout this spring term. Congratulations to everyone who've earned themselves a ticket today at Presentation Assembly. Fantastic. Enjoy taking those home today. And as you can see, school closes today for our Easter holidays, Wednesday, 27th of March, 2024 at 3:15. And we are back on Monday, the 15th of April, 2024, when gates open at 8:30. Have a wonderful Easter, everyone else. Don't eat too many Easter eggs. Try and get out there and do a bit of exercise. It'd be lovely to see you all safely on Monday, the 15th at 8:30. Have a very happy Easter. We'll see you all then. Bye-bye now.